Hi, it's Prakash here. I wanted to share a very interesting story. There's once these two friends who went to a forest and they got lost a bit, and before they realized they've really gone very deep into the forest. And as they were making attempts to get back and trace back their route back to where they came from, at a distance they saw a ferocious lion. Both were really scared, but one of the two friends quickly pulled out his bag that he was wearing on his backpack, took out a pair of shoes and started wearing it. So his other friend said, "You must be really a fool." So this friend asked, "Why do you say it?" He said, "Whether you wear shoes or not, you will never be able to outrun the lion." So this friend very calmly said, "My goal, my dear friend, is not to outrun the lion. My goal is to outrun you. Because the moment the lion captures you, its job is done and I'll be free." Life is also a bit like that. The lion that I refer here is the life, specifically the pandemic that's surrounding all of us. It's out to get its own set of victims, but it's not going to get everyone out. It has its own way of sort of getting its victims, whether it's in business, in personal or professional life. So what are the key for us to stay outside the reach of the lion? It is to create that differentiating edge between me and the competition, whether it is personal life or in business life. It is to create that edge which will make you a little bit better, so that whether on the health front or on the personal financial front or on the business front, you are safer than the other person, and hence you are out of reach of pandemic. If I tell you, what do you think is the difference between 211 and 212, both being numbers? You might come with several answers, but there is one interesting answer that I found, which is something which will make you think a bit differently. If you take the case of Fahrenheit, 211 degrees Fahrenheit and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, many of you would understand at 211 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the boiling temperature of water, the water still remains as really hot water. The application for that hot water is there, but it's very limited. But the moment it is moved to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, you will understand that it becomes steam. And from steam, you get power. You can run locomotives and you can do several applications using steam, which is not possible with just hot water. And all that was needed was that 1 degree shift. When you take a 100-meter race in Olympics, the difference between the gold medal and silver medal invariably is in 0.02 seconds, 0.03 seconds or something like that. Imagine that additional difference it makes is what will help you to be ahead of competition. What are the differentiator? Doing just the ordinary repeatedly is not going to get you anywhere. There is a definition of insanity which goes like this: doing the same things again and again, but expecting better results every time is said to be insanity. If you continue to do the same things that you were doing earlier, before pandemic, and hoping that you will still make a difference. I have seen many people. I have been talking in the last 2 months to several industries, several MSMEs, several professionals, CEOs, directors, people who run business leaders. Some of them are very clear, but many of them are just hoping that things will come back to normal. There is a famous word or a phrase which is applicable specifically in this situation. Hope is not a strategy. Hope is just hope. Unless you create a very clear differentiator, unless there is something of that 1 degree additional edge in your product or service when you open after lockdown, you are not going to make the cut. In all probability, you will get into a cesspool which keeps attracting you or pulling you into a downward spiral. You need to think seriously, what is that 1 degree edge which I am going to create in my business, which will make me better than what I was before the pandemic, which I will be after the pandemic in terms of the differentiator between me and my competition. It is that 1 degree which finally wins you the gold, which is that 1 degree which literally wins you the race of life. When it comes to the post-pandemic life, there is going to be a victory parade which is going to happen. 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Till such time you have to survive, you have to stabilize, and then you have to surge ahead. When that victory parade happens, there are going to be two kinds of people. One set of people are going to be in the parade because they have made it. And there will be multiples of people who are going to be outside the parade, watching the parade of those people who are going to take the victory march. It's up to you to decide. Do you want to be in the parade or do you want to be watching the parade? Take a call. There are enough people, including us, to help you. Please reach out to us. We wish you the very best. Thank you.